Okay, what is this? What is this? Oh, it's an SVR. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Galveston County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over East Little York, or Homestead, or near North Side, or North Line, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, emergency management.
What?
Impact, expect
Did I just hear
considerable tree damage.
emergency management?
Damage is likely to mobile homes,
No
roofs,
way. That's
and
a first.
outbuildings. Locations impacted include Pasadena, northeastern League City, northwestern Baytown, Lockport, Deer Park, South Houston, Bel Air, Humble, West University Place, Seabrook, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Kemah, Cloverleaf, downtown Houston, Greenway, or Upper Kirby area, 2nd Ward, Greater Heights, South Belt Ellington and Northtown, or Montrose. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.